So in this video, I will explain how to find the angle of intersection of two curves. Suppose we have let R1, R you take it as R is equals to F1 of theta, and the another function, another curve R is equals to F2 of theta. So we have two curves. What we have to do, differentiate both with respect to theta. So here what you will get it as, when you differentiate it, you will get cot phi 1. So here you will get cot phi 1, and here for the second curve we will get cot phi 2. That is, which is nothing but 1 by r dr by d theta you will get. So this will be denoted as cot phi 1. Here also we will get 1 by r dr by d theta. So that will be denoted as cot phi 2. And we will find out what is phi 1 and phi 2, and we will take the difference. So that is, that difference will be phi 2 minus phi 1, or phi 1 minus, you can take a modulus, you can avoid the negative sign. Suppose if this difference phi 2 minus phi 1 is equal to uh, a pi by 2. So pi by 2 means we say that the given two curves intersect orthogonally. So either the question will be on finding the angle between the two curves, or you can get a question that show that these two curves intersect orthogonally. Intersect orthogonally means we have to prove this. So I will take up a question. Find the angle between the curves. Angle between the curves R is equals to A by 1 plus cos theta and R is equals to B by 1 minus cos theta. Take first curve R is equals to A by 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. Take logarithm on both sides, that is log R is equals to log A by 1 plus cos theta. So we'll apply the loss of logarithm on the right hand side, that is log R is equals to, this is of the form log m by n. So log m by n can be written as, so log m minus log n. So if we use this, we'll get log a minus log 1 plus cos theta. So now differentiate with respect to theta. That is log r derivative will be 1 by r, so into dr by d theta. So log a derivative is 0. So log cos theta means 1 by 1 plus cos theta. 1 derivative is 0. Cos theta derivative is minus sin theta. Left hand side I'll denote it as cot phi 1, minus into minus it will be plus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. Again using the half angle formula, sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 divided by, so this is 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta means it will be cos square. This 2 will get cancelled. Cos and cos square will get cancelled. Remaining will be sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2. Sin by cos is cot phi 1 is equals to tan theta by 2. So we should express this tan in terms of cot. So therefore, cot phi 1 will be is equals to cot pi by 2 minus theta by 2. That is cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. So therefore what is phi 1? Phi 1 is pi by 2 minus theta by 2. So now I will take the another curve. R is equals to B by 1 minus cos theta. Take log on both sides. So log R is equals to log B by 1 minus cos theta. Log R is equals to log B minus log 1 minus cos theta. So now we'll differentiate this with respect to theta. So log R derivative 1 by R into, so dr by d theta. So log B derivative is 0. Log 1 minus cos theta derivative 1 by 1 minus cos theta. Derivative of 1 is 0. Cos theta derivative minus sin theta. So left hand side I'll denote it as cot phi 2 is equals to, here it becomes plus, but we'll get minus sin theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. So minus sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So 1 minus sin theta means 2 sin square theta by 2. Here 2 gets cancelled, sin and sin square will get cancelled. So it is minus cos theta by 2 by sin theta by 2. So cos by sin is cot. Sorry, cot theta by 2. So this is cot phi 2 is equals to minus cot theta by 2. Cot phi 2 is equals to cot minus theta by 2. So therefore phi 2 is minus theta by 2. So we got both the angles phi 1 and phi 2. So now I will take the difference, that is phi 2 minus phi 1. So what is phi 2? Minus theta by 2. Minus of phi 1. Phi 1 is phi by 2 minus theta by 2. Or minus theta by 2 minus pi by 2 plus theta by 2. So this plus theta by 2 and minus theta by 2 gets cancelled. So we'll get phi 2 minus phi 1 is equals to minus pi by 2. Or if you take its modulus, phi 2 minus phi 1 will be equals to minus pi by 2, which is nothing but pi by 2. So here we can say that the angle between the given two curves is pi by 2, or since the angle between them is pi by 2, we can say that so these two curves intersect orthogonally. Thank you.